Oh, okay. What's happening, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. We are here in Watergrass Hill in Cork. Am I in Watergrass Hill? We're here at Cork anyway, at Watergrass Hill. And we are taking the S15 out for another practice day because the season is just about to start, or so I thought, because all the coronavirus stuff is happening and I actually don't know what's going on at the minute, and it's all very scary, and as a freelancer it's a very turbulent time. So I thought the best thing to do is to self-isolate, go drive the S15 and get some more time behind the wheel, because I know last time I went on the practice day I wanted to link the first, second, third, well I just wanted to link the whole track and I didn't manage to do that. Oh my god, is that the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life? Just a little girl like rolling a tyre for her daddy. Love that! Yeah, so the plan is today to get in the S15, get some chase practice, because I really need to get my tandem game on if I'm going to enter some competitions this year. Again, as I said, going back to the coronavirus thing, no one knows what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Drift Masters potentially is being pushed back. I don't know if they're running the Drift Cup round, but it doesn't stop you getting your practice in, because at the end of the day it's just you in your car by yourself, not spreading any viruses. I need to get in the car because we're all here. We're Conor Shanahan, James Dean, Michael Sheehan, all the Irish lot, and we are going to be getting out driving together, and hopefully I don't run into one of them, but you never know. Okay, so we have Alex Shannon here in his car. It's a bit beat up. What have you been doing to it, Alex? You've been breaking it. A few mods, like little on-track mods. And we have Conor Shanahan here, Conor Shanahan in his fresh Red Bull gear. Look at this, Red Bull Athlete 2020. The actual car itself is fine. It hasn't changed a lot since the last time I got it out. I took it sort of up the road earlier. It's still working, which is always a plus. This is James Dean's new beta car, which is an E92. But anyway, he's put wise fab on it and he's got a handbrake, but actually he's got a slight problem at the minute. So let's get out in the car and see what happens. I'm also being a big puss and taking off my front bumper because I just haven't come to terms with the fact that I may smash it off, and it just looks too good to smash it to bits in a minute, because I don't want to do that to that. It keeps raining. In some ways it's a good thing, in some ways it's a bad thing, because I tend to lose my confidence a little bit in the rain, but at the same time it means you burn off less tyres because it's a lot more slippery.
Keep doing more of the same, okay?
I've got fresh tyres on, so I'm going to take it a bit easy.
Yeah.
That's down, that's in neutral, so that works. I think we're good to go.
Yep.
For a second because I hit a tyre, I think on the edge of the track.
I think it was only small karting tyres though.
So I was just like trying to figure out if I'd actually just mashed the back of the, oh god, is that gonna work? No, we'll leave it there. Yeah, so just sort of had a minute to come in to check, see if that's okay. Better though.
Yeah,
better
really good. That was very impressive.
It's just like pushing it out the boundaries. I think second gear is not really long enough.
Yeah, I think, I don't know, I think third may be a bit too long.
Well, that's the thing, and also
we'll see, see what James says.
Woo, sweaty.
Your second gear is a small bit short, but you actually nearly linked it that time when you hit it. We just ran out of revs a small bit.
We're getting there, lads, we're getting there.
But even anyway, if you don't think you're going to link it, when the time you got on the handbrake on the long straight that time was perfect. Even, you know, even if you do straighten up, get on the handbrake at that point, it was good. It was good.
I'm getting there, do you know what? It's so... I
was thinking there, I was like, oh, she's getting really brave. You were like full throttle, like clutch kicking, and I was like, oh.
Do you not trust me?
Yeah. No, you were good, you were good. But it's easier when you get braver. It is easier.
Well, you know what? Like, do you see me on that front first corner? I came in hot, and even I was like, fuck, that's hot. And then I was like, front brake, dabbed it, kept it in, and like.
Just one thing you need to be careful of when you go on the front brakes hard is it falling onto lock. you might notice it. You know,
oh yeah, you have to grab it.
Yeah, like just kind of don't slam the front brakes, gently kind of get on them. It'll still do the same slowing, but if you have a sudden brake on the front, your car will automatically fall onto lock. One thing I noticed as well through the horseshoe, there was one stage you started to grab a small bit of understeer. You didn't drag the handbrake long enough. Don't be afraid to pull it again. Just really correct yourself with the handbrake. Just like
you can use it again.
Yeah, and then it'll automatically come back online properly. But
we lost the anti-back wipes halfway through as well.
Oh my god, it just came straight for me. I was like, oh.
Gotta be safe out there, alright, Connor?
Can't even reach it. What, like 25?
What's the tyre pressure? Are you putting it down?
Down.
That's 30, there was 30 of them and now I'm going to put in 20.
You need 30. If you go up to 40, you'll be all over the place. It's getting better.
I know I'm leaving it up.
It's getting better.
25 or something.
25? Well, that'll be alright.
24.
Okay, perfect.
Sweet.
It's like that's not an ideal noise. When you put the clutch in, it goes. So maybe a release bearing? I don't know. Something's not right though. Is it the gearbox?
Yeah, gearbox. Now leave out the clutch. There. Press the clutch.
Yeah.
Done.
Has my gearbox died?
That's not dead, if it's still moving, driving.
What does an SR gearbox lever do?
The knob is just wobbling all over the place.
The weather is really bad today, but that's good because you know what? I like to be able to drive in the rain, be able to drift in the rain and then also on the drive, because then at least I'm not scared of it. The gearbox, I feel, is about on its way out, but from what I've heard, like, the SR20 gearboxes are not the strongest, so I always knew that this problem would eventually happen, so I'm just not going to worry about it. I'm just going to drive it until it breaks essentially, and then I shall deal with that when we get to it. Oh, got my green tea, so it's all very civilised. Yeah, having a great day out. It was so fun, like just being able to drive my car and blow off some steam. And also, because of the rain, we're not actually spending too much on tyres. Oh god, there are so many noises coming from this car that I'm like, ah! We're fine, we're fine. Raining again. Time to wipe up. Make sure you're safe.
Safety first. Will it stick there? Ah, come on. No way.
Jay!
Why did you put it there?
Now I can't see you.
Okay, that went to plan. Alright, we'll find somewhere new. I like your new coffee holder.
Yeah, it's great. It's all great. Oh, I like
right.
Gearbox. Right.
Oh, there we go. Keep the car from rolling. Oh, no Wi-Fi. I think it's trying to do 15 too many things at once.
Right, it's off.
But when you turn it on to drive, Becky?
I can't get it off.
What's wrong with you? I think you need a nap. Oh my god.
You've had SRs for years. What does that noise mean?
That noise means it's coming to the end of its time. The gearbox, that is.
Yeah,
but you got a lot of life out of it.
I was gonna say, like, it's done a competition, it's done like a few, definitely a few track days.
When I was running SR, when was it? 2007, 2008. I went through in the 2 years something like 11 or 12 gearboxes. I just kept on breaking them. What, just
SR ones?
Yeah.
Right.
And then we started upgrading.
Okay, so the upgrade from this I've heard is the 350Z box?
Yeah, that's probably the best.
That's a nice box.
It's a nice box, really sweet. Like, it shifts nice, feels nice, and you know.
Anyway.
Feels good.
Yeah, okay, great.
Feels
so
good.
350Z box is the one to get maybe as an upgrade?
Yeah, I think it'd be a nice upgrade for this car.
How much is that roughly?
You can get lucky. The gearboxes are between probably 1,000 and 1,500, and then you need an adapter plate and a prop shaft.
So
it's in the region of 15 to 2 grand probably to do it.
Okay, which has been good to me.
Shit's gonna start happening. That's the unfortunate thing about drifting.
Is it because I'm driving so well and so hard?
Well, you are pushing hard.
Exactly. Obviously stuff's going to start breaking when you've got...
pretty bad, but anyway, it's moving.
That's what I said. I was like, I'm just going to drive it until it really breaks.
Yeah, and then we'll be sure on what roll. Give it a rev there.
It's like rubbish.
I know. Target, go on, drive it. Second gear is bad.
Second gear?
Oh, I wouldn't be into that. Disaster. Right lads, Sonny BMW lives on.
Okay, well I am absolutely frozen. That's another day done in the S15. I can't believe my gearbox is broken, but at the same time I can completely believe it. Just gonna have to fix it, come back. I feel like I've made another step forward today. Like, just pushing the car in the different conditions is so key to just learning more and more. So I'm very happy with today. Gonna pack the car up, get myself home, had a cracker. I do love it over here. I'll see you guys next time. See ya!